You thought this was a photography channel. This is farming.
Jason Clemens, professional photographer and goat herder. So we're here today on this beautiful property and the sun's setting behind us. So we're gonna kind of take you all down and we're gonna each choose a composition and shoot it and just kind of show you our thoughts behind it and give you a little bonus episode here.
Yeah, just kind of like a little example of what's to come. And obviously the other videos would be more in depth, but we're just gonna go play around and see what we can find.
Jason's also very good at mending fences, which is why he's a great partner. Jason is so many different things. He's also a horse whisperer. As you can see, this horse has taken a serious liking to us and is in our shot that we're trying to set up. So we're going to see how this goes. I might have to let Jason do some whispering here for a minute. Well, I'm trying to take a picture here, but these horses are absolutely not cooperating. This right here is my leading line, and it's literally going right through this horse's legs. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna get tonight, but I did get one shot before he came over and maybe, oh, he's moving, just don't kick me. Oh, look, that's gonna be pretty. So I'm out here in this field, and I've got kind of a leading line of the trampled grass from the horses. I'm going to try to use that to then shoot that setting sun as it goes over the layers. And I'm hoping with a bit of focus stacking, as well as with these horses that are kind of moving through my shot, and I am capturing as they do, that I'll end up getting something that I like. So we're going to see how this goes here, but so far the conditions are looking pretty decent for a photograph that I think will turn out pretty well. So what I'm doing right here is I'm hitting all my focus points here in the grass, and I'm also getting this horse, because this horse is probably going to move before the sun really gets below the horizon and sets that sky alive. And so now that I've photographed all of those things, I can just wait. Because with the beauty of Photoshop, I'll blend this sky layer in at the very end. So I can wait 20, 30 minutes for that sky to turn pink if needed. I've kind of changed things up here. I was down low, I had a strong foreground with the grass going right towards the lens. I kind of liked it, but I was losing the actual path. You couldn't really see it that low to the ground. Also, I was losing some of these layers of trees, which are really, really pretty. And so I've moved my tripod up, the camera, moved it back to get that horse in frame. I've captured the horse, captured all this grass and focus stacked it. So now I'm at the point where I'm just waiting and I'm crossing my fingers I get some good light, and we'll see what happens. So I've gotten lucky. These two horses have decided to occupy either side of the path. And I am shooting literally right down the middle now. So I'm getting a horse there in the photo, a horse here in the photo. I've focus stacked all of this grass. And now I'm waiting for the sun to do its job, and hopefully it does. So the horses moved into position for me, and I got them on either side, and I've focus stacked all this grass, and now the sky is finally starting to cooperate. So I'm at the point where I'm just kind of playing the waiting game, seeing what this sun is going to do for me, seeing what type of light it's going to give, but right now it's looking promising. So there's a bit of serendipity in photography, and we're getting it tonight. We came up here because it's a beautiful place, has a gorgeous view, and we just wanted to film our intro video for our channel, but Mother Nature has had other plans for us and has given us quite a show. The colors are really starting to come alive on these clouds. I'm getting some great pink hue off the bottom of the clouds. The sun is getting close to the top of those mountains, and it's going to go below. And then plus the horses add even more to a foreground. So I think I'm getting something that I'm going to be happy with. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's a bit shorter than most of mine will be. I usually try to shoot for, say, the 10-minute mark, but I got an image that I'm really happy with. It's one of my favorites from recent memory, and so I just wanted to kind of give you all a behind the scenes on how it all went down, the way the horses kind of lined up for me in a very fortunate and serendipitous way, and the resulting image that I captured at the end. Unfortunately, Jason wasn't able to get anything that he really liked. The horses didn't cooperate for him, so we weren't able to give you all the dual perspective that we usually try to do in this channel, but I still hope you found this enjoyable to watch, and you got a sense of how sometimes when you show up to a place, you have no idea that you're about to capture an image that you're really happy with, and that's exactly what happened to me here. Hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you like this, there will be a lot more like it. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video, and feel free to comment as well. I love to hear from the viewers. Thanks a lot.